Digitalization, sustainability, process reliability. The demands placed on industrial applications in mechanical and plant engineering are constantly growing. The power supply is becoming the key to high plant availability because this is the place where all major challenges converge. Consider this, for example. The WAGO Pro 2 power supply gives you an edge over the competition because our engineers have made sure it can handle this. Equally as important, the WAGO Pro 2 sets high standards here. And that's not even everything the WAGO Pro 2 power supply can do. Take a look around this 360-degree video to discover more of its strengths. And of course, you can always find more information on the WAGO Pro 2 online.